Hi, welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing PGDCA assignments, MCS011 problem solving and programming. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238. Right now, you can see the question number 1. Write an algorithm, draw corresponding flowchart, and write an interactive program which prompts the user with the following options on the opening menu. First is to reverse the 5-digit number to check whether the 5-digit number is a palindrome or not. To find the sum of all the digits of the 5-digit number, quit and enter your choice. Note point is here, use switch.case statement. So as you know, we have prepared all the answers of this PDF, another PDF also. So if you're looking for this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.